Restaurant style cauliflower curry and garlic cauliflower. Today we are preparing these two recipes which will be a build on recipe. So first we are going to prepare garlic cauliflower, which is a very nice side dish, healthy snack, and we are going to build from that cauliflower snack to cauliflower curry. So it is going to be interesting. Please watch it till end. And hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Let's start the recipe. Cut the cauliflower into small pieces, wash it well, and then I'm going to cook this in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Or you can cook it in a traditional way. Put the cauliflower into hot water for 3 to 4 minutes and then take it out. So it should be parboiled, something like this, so you can easily insert the fork. Our cauliflower is ready, and now I'm going to put it in a strainer so that any excess water is out. And let's start our recipe. For that, here I have taken around 1 tablespoon of oil, and into goes 2 to 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped. And we are just going to cook the garlic for around 30 seconds, and then we are adding 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Give it a good mix, and then we are ready to add our cauliflower. We just need to make sure that we don't have any excess water in the cauliflower, so put it in a strainer and get rid of all the excess water. Now we are going to cook the cauliflower with the garlic and chili flakes nicely until it's almost cooked. Here I am adding some salt, which will help the cauliflower to cook fast, and we can always cover and cook, which also helps the cauliflower to cook fast. So it will roughly take around 7 to 8 minutes depending on the cauliflower. So just keep on stirring in between and cover and cook on medium flame until it's nice and golden in color and nicely cooked. So here you can see the cauliflower is nice and golden in color and it's almost cooked. So this is the time we are going to separate half of it out for the curry, and the rest we are going to prepare as a side dish. So we have taken some out for the curry, and now what we have left in the pan, we are going to prepare this as a side dish. I'm going to add here some chaat masala and some peri peri salt. It's a very flexible recipe. According to your taste buds, you can turn it in either way. You can add some chaat masala, peri peri salt, garlic salt, some butter, or you can give an Italian twist by adding some Italian herbs. So it's a very flexible side dish and very tasty, healthy snack. So let's prepare now our curry. To prepare our curry, I have combined oil and butter together. So I have around 1.5 tablespoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. And for seasoning, I have added 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 to 2 bay leaf, and 1 to 2 red chili. And into goes 1 big size of onion, very finely chopped, or you can add 2 medium size of onion. And for the onion to cook fast, you can add some salt, and you are going to cook the onion and on low medium flame until it's nice and golden brown. Onion looks good, so we are ready to add our basic spices. So you have around half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, which is coriander, cumin and black pepper mix, half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add some water and cook the masala for around 2 to 3 minutes. And then we are going to add tomatoes. For that, here I am adding canned chopped tomatoes, around 2 tablespoons, or you can add 2 medium size of tomatoes finely chopped. Now we are going to cook the tomato with the masala for around another 1 to 2 minutes. Here I am adding around half a teaspoon of Kitchen King masala, which really adds a very nice flavor to the curry. So if you have it available, please use it, or else you can skip it. Now give it a good mix, and at any point you feel your masala is getting dry, add some water, which really helps masala to fry nicely. And the key to curry is how nicely you fry the masala. And now we are adding 2 teaspoons of cashew powder. I prefer to add cashew powder, it's easier, or else you can grind the cashew with the water and add around 10 to 12 pieces of cashew. Nicely grind it with the water and you can add it. Our masala is almost ready, and at this point now you can add some kasuri methi, around 1 teaspoon, or some fresh methi leaves. I have fresh methi leaves available, so here I am adding handful of fresh methi leaves. It reduces quite quickly, so once it's nicely reduced, we are going to add water. According to the consistency of curry you can add water. Here I'm adding around half a cup of water, and I prefer to add hot water. And once our curry is about to boil, I'm adding here around 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. Cream and cashew powder adds the richness to the curry. At the same time, it balances the bitterness of methi leaves. Taste your curry at this point, add salt, chili powder as well as sugar to balance the flavor. Add cauliflower, let the cauliflower cook with the curry for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Add some fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with rice, roti or naan. I hope you like this recipe. We have many more similar recipes on our channel, so please do like it if you like this recipe and subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you for watching.